Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple recipe, and it is my absolute favourite way of eating lamb, and it's also one of the least inexpensive ways of eating lamb. It's very simple. So I'm going to get underway. What I have here is a couple of packs of lamb ribs. They are a very inexpensive cut of meat, and because of this, they have so much flavour, as most inexpensive cuts of meat do. They just take a little longer to cook, that's all. So, first off, I want a tablespoon of dried mint, or thereabouts. Now, dried mint is very different from fresh mint. Fresh mint has almost a cooling, refreshing vibe about it, whereas dried mint has more of a sort of husky warmth to it. And then another favourite of mine's with lamb is cumin. So I want, again, a tablespoon of cumin seeds here. When I'm having lamb, I have to have a lot of garlic with it. So I've got 4 cloves here. It might sound a lot, but there is a lot of ribs here, and they are getting a long, slow cook, so all this garlic will mellow and sweeten it as well. And any bit I can't grate, I just drop in, it'll do no harm. That's that. Now I'm just going to, I have just a sprig of rosemary here. I'm just going to pull the needles off the stem. Get rid of that, and then just give it a quick chop. That'll do just fine. And that goes. And then I just need enough oil just to bring this all together, help it stick to the ribs. Because there's plenty of fat in the ribs themselves, they don't really need any extra. And a generous amount of salt. There are a lot of ribs here, remember. So I'll use my first rib just to smush this all together. Give it a good rub. Make sure every bit is coated. Then I can just sit these. I roast these on a wire rack so that the excess fat can drip down and render out of the ribs. And just repeat this until all your ribs are coated. And the ribs themselves are going to be the only bit of cooking in my feast. Everything else, it's just a matter of mixing a few ingredients together, and that, nothing too stressful. My lamb ribs are ready for the oven now. These will just take 2 hours in a 150-degree oven. Leave me free to get on with it whatever I want. My ribs are so juicy and the fat has crisped up. They're exactly what I want, so I'm just going to line this plate with them. And I have to eat alongside them. I have some herbed up couscous, very simple, and a mint, lemon and yogurt garlic sauce as well. All the recipes are available on my website, and I'm going to have one now myself. They are so juicy and succulent, really, really tender. It's this long, slow cooking that makes these so tender and juicy. If you like this recipe, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all my recipes, and thanks for watching.